Hi, I'd like to welcome you to 8 Sweetwater Court in Grand Haven. It's a gated community in Palm Coast. If you don't know where Palm Coast is, it's about 30 minutes south of St. Augustine and 30 minutes north of Daytona. We have a very gorgeous home this morning that I'd like to show you. It has a 3-car garage and should come on the market sometime today as a bank-owned home. Has gone through the foreclosure, and I believe they're going to price it around $260, and is a exceptional price for this community and neighborhood, especially for a home like this. Go through double doors into the entrance of the great room with beautiful flooring. Great views through the sliding glass doors out to the pool. And as we walk through and I pan to the left here, you'll see some built-in cabinetry for TV and entertainment and knickknacks. Pan around to the left from that, and you will see your office, home office or den, whatever you want to make it. Great windows looking outside. Have pocket doors here, slide open and close for privacy if you need to have it as your office. And then we'll pan around. As we had come through the front door, you can see great architectural design in this house. We have archways into the kitchen, great nooks for artwork, and just a really, really nice home. Great windows. They have the dining area here. Pan around this way and go through into the kitchen. I love the cabinetry in this home. Granite countertops, island, just beautiful. So pan around, of course you could see out the great windows in this kitchen. Sliding glass doors again out to the pool. Go around the other side of the kitchen here, out to the living area again, as you can see. Around again, built-in stove. There's the entranceway where we came in. Great wet bar area here. Serving area out to the living room. We have a nice wet sink, cabinetry, wine cooler. And again, we have more of the island. Over to the stove again. And back over here to the eating area of the kitchen. Some more cabinetry, just gorgeous. And then out, as you can see, to the pool area. Got a hot tub. Nice, sparkling, beautiful pool. And a summer kitchen. Pavers. You see the sliding glass doors. Again from the living room, kitchen, and across the way, privacy door into the master, which we'll see here shortly. Go back out the kitchen, go out this way through the living area again. Over past this office, we'll go in to the great master suite. As we enter, you'll see a nice nook for artwork, great lighting, and to the left here is a master bath that is really outstanding. Great windows. Of course, I'm sure you'd want to frost them. His and hers. Really nice soaking tub. And then around to the left here of the tub is this great shower. We have 3 different knobs, all kinds of sprays. A place that you will probably want to spend a long time in the morning. So get up extra early because you've got a wonderful shower in this home. And of course we got a private little library in here. Again, the beautiful tile floors. As we walk back out from the bathroom, we have his and her closets. Hers probably a little bit bigger, but no, we never know. And then a his. And into the bedroom itself, 3 great windows and an exit door out to the patio and pool area. We'll go out there, since I'm over this way, we'll go out to the pool area now. Just remember that it is a foreclosure. It's in excellent, excellent condition. Just needs a little sweeping and some power washing, and you'll be good to go. Have the safety fence here, so if you have kids or dogs or cats and you don't want them in the pool, that's a great thing. Beautiful hot tub, sparkling blue pool. Absolutely gorgeous looking this morning on this beautiful day here in Florida. If you haven't been to our area and you want to know a little bit more about it, there's our summer kitchen. If you go to www.Discover Palm Coast Florida, Florida's spelled out, discoverpalmcoastflorida.com. I actually have a video of the area, and it'll show you a little bit about Palm Coast, Flagler Beach, and give you an idea of where we are and what there is here. Back into the house now. We're back into the master. We'll go back out. They have plastic on the floors. I'm not sure this home really, I don't know that it was ever even lived in, which is a shame because it sure is beautiful. So we go back out from the master, past the office, past the entrance door and the dining room, and we'll go into this section of the home. Here we have one of the bathrooms, main bathroom for guests, I would say. That's off the living area. Some nice fixtures. Great tile all the way up to the ceiling there. Nice tub. Windows. Cabinetry. We have a linen closet. And into one of the bedrooms here. 2 nice windows. Like I said, I don't believe that this house has ever even been lived in. Nice closet. And in this room we have another bath. Also is the pool bath. So we have mirror, cabinetry, door to the outside. Remember, like I said, it is a foreclosure, so around the pool here we need some weeding and some power washing, but overall this is a fantastic buy. We have a nice shower in this bathroom. And then back through this room, over to the other bedroom just across the hallway. Again, tile throughout here. Nice sized bedroom. Great window to the outside. Walk-in closet. And you can hear me crumping on the on the plastic on the floor. Like I said, it's got really nice carpet here that I don't think has ever been really walked on. And outside of that window, down the hallway, back to the living area. We'll go to the left here and out towards the garage. We have some extra storage here. Let's see if I can get a light on here. I guess they're not on, but we have a great closet here, my gosh, for storing those winter coats that maybe you might use once or twice a year. Thank goodness we don't have to have them. In the utility room, we have some storage up above. We have a nice wet sink. The same beautiful cabinetry and tile throughout. And then we'll go out here. It's a garage, but I know men like to look at it and see it. It's a 3-car, which my husband would absolutely love. 3-car garage. And plenty of place for storage. Got that side entry, which is good if you like to be outside and plant some trees and bushes and flowers. You can come in and through the side door here at the garage. And the air handler is out here. We have pulled down attic storage and your hot water tank. So back in the house we'll go. I hope you've enjoyed your tour of 8 Sweetwater in Palm Coast, Florida. If you have any questions or want to come and look at it personally, give me a call at 386-931-6277. My name is Vi Vincent. I'm a realtor with Realty Exchange. I'd be glad to make an appointment with you and give you a tour of this home, talk to you about what you're looking for, and see if we can't help you today. Again, my number is 931-6277, area code 386. Have a great day.